Design and Engineering, more fondly known as D&E and Intro to Engineering, are both career and technical education classes. CTE gives you the chance to explore a variety of projects that will help you determine your pathway through high school and beyond. D&E is a year-long class where we do lots of in-depth projects. In Intro, you get a taste of D&E but on a much smaller scale. The good news is you can take both D&E and Intro for both your 7th and 8th grade years because we do different projects. You could also sign up and have both classes in the same year. In class, we use real tools with our focus to design, build, and create unique projects from cardboard, wood, and sometimes glass. As we go through the presentation, these are just a sampling of projects we have done throughout the years. In both classes, we use real tools. The projects you will see today are all designed and created by students. While we were in remote learning, one of the favorite projects was to design and build a functioning pinball machine. I have 24 3D printers for students to use. You will learn how to use a CAD program to design and then print out your creation. For those of you with a flair for the arts, D&E and Intro provide an opportunity for you to create in 3D with wood instead of paper. We have a Glowforge, which is a user-friendly laser engraver. With Glowforge, if you can think it, you can cut it out of cardboard or wood. The Home of the Brave was designed to look like it's 3D, but it's not. It's really one piece of wood. Other projects use layering, gears, mechanisms, and notches. If you want it to move, you can do like the student that created the dragon. It is made of a series of gears, pins, and notches. When you turn the crank, the dragon moves back and forth. Woodworking has long been a favorite. We use scroll saws, sanders, hand tools, screws, nails, and glue to build one-of-a-kind projects. Judy Gale Roberts is one of the world's leading intarsia designers and builders. She has reached out to us on several occasions through Zoom to offer her expertise. On the walls in the library, there are intarsia projects that were designed, created, and left behind as legacy pieces from previous 8th graders. Ray Kinman, a retired Disney carver, spent time with us on Zoom talking about his career with Disney as well as the commission work he does now. In class, you will have the opportunity to use the same professional wood carving tools to make your own sculptures. We are not only builders, but we are state and regional winners in a variety of competitions. The best known is Future City. We were the first public school to win the regional competition, which gave us the right to represent the Pacific Northwest in Washington, D.C. This year, we took 6 teams of students to the Museum of Flight to participate in our first epic competition. The teams designed and built their own planes tethered to a power pole that were flown for a total of 2 minutes. Each year, there is a different task you must accomplish. This year, the game was touch and go. You had to circle your plane twice, then maneuver it to go up and down, landing on the targets and taking right back off again. The Nessp competition is where we design a robotic vehicle that can travel over the rough Mars surface, rescue an astronaut, and then take him to safety using a drone. We use the newest Lego Spike Kit to design the robot and fly actual drones. As we go, you are introduced to careers and pathways you might not otherwise have considered. We have had several guest speakers, but the most notable were Voices of Service AGT Season 14, Dr. Bonnie Dunbar, one of the first female astronauts to fly shuttle missions and work on the International Space Station. This year, we were having conversations with Alicia Moore, an entrepreneur that owns and runs Two Wives Winery. You know her as Pink. I encourage all of you to sign up for D&E and Intro. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you, and see you in the fall of 2020.